Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, we're gonna try not one but two brand new viral TikTok makeup hacks. You guys wanna see what I'm gonna do? Are these gonna work? Well then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so as you guys know, or at least hopefully you guys know, Michaela is the queen of TikTok when it comes to makeup. And there has been some new viral trends going around where you do your face differently. So you do like your whole contour and bronzer here, then you do like your foundations like here, and then you do concealers right here, and then you blend everything out to have a really beautiful sculpted face. It's supposed to make your makeup really easy to do. Whether it is or not, that's like something we're going to test out. And there's a new way to get a really full lip without having to do like lip injections just by using a concealer. So we're going to do that today. But first, I am going to show you guys these videos so you guys can kind of have an understanding of what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and have Michaela, the beautiful teacher, teach us how to do this.
You know, I gotta say, I'm actually really loving this technique. This is an absolutely beautiful contour technique. I've never tried it on myself though, but I feel like it would look pretty good on my face shape. So we're gonna give it a try today. It looks absolutely amazing. Because I'm someone who has a little bit of extra pudge on their face. You know, because I've always had this baby face. But underneath all that, I do have a really prominent jaw. I have really nice cheekbones. So I feel like that could really look great on my face shape. Start with the contour piece. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Tantour. Clearly I like it.
Okay, so they have Huda Beauty like Tantour and they have stuff like that. I don't have that, but I do have the Maybelline Corrector Multi-Uses. This is just in the shade Tan. I've never really used this. I got this specifically for this video, so I don't really know if this is gonna be the correct color. So if it's not, that's my fault. But I don't really have like, I have I think one cream bronzer, but I don't really do cream that much because I'm so oily that cream is just not really good on my face. Usually I have to go a lot of powder products. So let's hope I do this technique correct.
Start on the forehead. I got a pretty big forehead, so this is lovely. Then we're gonna bring it here and down.
They start on the forehead. Okay, so they start right here. This is gonna be so weird. Okay, so they start on the forehead and then they bring it down to like the cheeks. So forehead and they go down their cheekbone. Like so. Oh, I didn't mess that up.
On the chin as well.
On the chin as well.
Down the nose.
I never primed my face. Okay, whatever. Okay, and then they do down the nose.
Start adding the foundation.
Okay, so then they add their foundation. So for foundation today, I'm just gonna kind of mix two of my Ultra foundation. This is the Absolute Cover Foundation. I'm just mixing shade 1 and shade 2. And I'm gonna need like a brush to apply this because that's what they use as a brush. Okay, so she goes across the forehead. Oh, that looks really sheer. Hers look really full coverage. This looks so sheared out. No, I need it to be thicker. Okay, I'm gonna use my KVD, even though it's not really good for my skin because it's not good for oily skin. I'm just gonna use this because it is really thick to get that thickness across, because that's, I was about to put this on, because that's how they have it. They have just like really thick. Okay, perfect. And then she does right here. Oh, I need like a hair clip. I need to get hair clips because I don't have one. Down here.
Along the nose.
Down the nose.
And then a much lighter concealer in this area.
I'm going to go with the Shape Tape. This is pretty much empty. This is shade light. And they just like fill this in all right here.
I can already see that this is gonna look bomb on my face shape, right? If I were to change one thing, I'd add a little brightness right here, but that's all I'm gonna change. Okay, Okay, so I sort of have to reactivate this because it's been sitting on my face for a while, so I'm going to use the Milani Blueberry Refreshing Facial Mist.
Spray to help reactivate it so that it's not so dry, and then she starts to really blend it out, and the blending out is what takes forever. Oh, well, that's officially in my hair. That's in my hair.
And I'm starting to blend, and I'm just going to blend the contour first.
Okay, now that it's like back to wet, now you just got to blend. Now she said that this is where you got to be patient because you want to blend the contour first and then blend out everything else.
This requires a lot of patience and a lot of blending. Shockingly, it's blending pretty easy. It's very smooth. I never contour my nose, but whenever I do, you guys like it, so here's what we got. Let me finish the face. I like it. I like the way it makes my chin look. I like the way it makes my nose look. I'm down. I'll do it again.
I think they look like an Oompa Loompa. Oh no. Oh no, guys, this is not working. This is not working in the slightest. Oh no. I dyed my hair. My hair is orange. You know, maybe we just gotta trust this process.
Oh, fuck!
Yeah. All right. This is how it looks. Oh. It's fantastic. Clearly this technique works really well. Yeah, I don't foresee myself continuing on with this trend, if I'm going to be completely honest with you, because, well, you know, I kind of feel like it made me look super tan, super orange, like I was just auditioning for the Oompa Loompa Oompa Dee Doo. Like, that's what I feel like it looks like right now. So, safely can say this is definitely a TikTok trend that I'm not for. Maybe it's also because I had like the wrong like tanner. I got like a really dark shade. Just because like I said, I don't use any cream contours of any sort, just because I'm very oily and it just doesn't mix really well with my skin. So we are gonna go ahead and I guess set the face, and then we're going to do like pretty much the rest of my face, and we're gonna come back and I'm gonna do this new lip liner technique that I saw. So let me go ahead and set the face and do my eyes and my brows off camera, guys, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the final look right now before I do the lips, guys. So for eyes, I actually am wearing my Going Coconuts from ColourPop. This is definitely my go-to neutral palette. And then for a highlighter today, I'm actually using the Ophir Cosmetics. This is the Milk and Cookies highlighter. Smells so good. You guys can actually use code Allie to save you guys 20% off your purchase. This highlighter is just so freaking beautiful. But I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see what I'm working with. Do we not see how tan I look? It's like, look at this. It is all up in my hair. I'm gonna have to like really like get this out of my hair. But this is how the face looks. You guys can clearly see a definition between these two right here, and yeah, it's definitely not a look. Okay, so before I finish off the rest of the look, I'm gonna show you guys this other video where she takes a concealer and like she conceals her top lip and then really overdraws it to give really full voluptuous lips. So that's what we're gonna do today. I don't ever like overdraw my lips just because I feel like they just don't look the best on me. I'm very comfortable with my lips where I mean, everybody always wants to have like the Jaclyn Hill lips, but it's just not feasible for someone like me. So I'm gonna show you guys this video and we're just gonna replicate it. Okay, so she takes a couple drops, just like so, just like this, to really get rid of her upper lip. And then she blends out with a brush. I'm just gonna use my sponge. All right, just so I can like really emphasize the look, I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn. This is the B Bold liner. This is the deepest color that they have. And we're just gonna really just like go and like overdraw the line and do on the top and bottom. I'm really nervous because I've never done anything like this before. So here we go. Oh God. Oh no. So like she kind of like just goes like back and forth over it. I'm not gonna do that. She ends up like kind of like coloring it in back and forth and like going in with like a lip liner. So like I can try, but I know like the way that like Jaclyn does it is Jaclyn usually takes her finger to help blend it out a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do. Just kind of like take the finger and like kind of blend it in. Hey, and if anyone out there wants to overdraw your lines, I'm not judging you for it in the slightest. It's very, very weird for me. So I'm going to go in with this shade. This is the shade Gratitude right here. And we're just going to kind of go over all the lips. The liner might be a little bit too deep, but I don't have all her liners yet. So I'm just trying to go with something that would stand out. So we're just going to take this on the lips and really start to fill this in.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Okay, then I'm going to mix this shade Confidence in the middle to allow it to like have somewhat of a lighter look in the middle. Just kind of like mix it right here. Oh no, no. I look like a clown. I also feel like I kind of look like I have really swollen lips. I don't know if the liner was maybe a little bit too deep for this. I feel like maybe I should have gone with a more neutral liner, but what the fuck is this? On that girl, it looks so pretty. Maybe it looks pretty on people that we don't know because we don't know how they normally look like without makeup and this and that. But you guys know how my lips look. I look like I'm trying to be a Kardashian. Oh my God, I do. Oh my God, because of how like tan my face is and my lips. Oh God. Oh no. Oh, you know what? We'll make this look even better. Let's put some gloss on it. You know what? Let's take this Milani gloss since it's sitting right here. Let's gloss this bitch up. See how it really will look. Even better. I'm sorry. I look so stupid. Holy shit. I look so stupid. I look. Oh. Oh, you know, I definitely think that if I were to try this technique again, I don't think I'd really, I think I'd leave the under lip, like the under one alone, because that one's actually kind of fine. It's the top lip. I don't think I'd be as accentuating of it. I think I would literally, I don't know. I don't know what I would do. Maybe make it very, very like almost like it's my natural lip color, not do something so deep. But I just feel like if I start wearing my lips like this, you guys would be like, bitch, what is wrong with you? Just because it just doesn't look natural on my face. I think that's what it is. It just looks so fake. So I think it's safe to say that in today's video, everything that I tried today was a fail. I don't think I've really found a TikTok viral makeup hack that's genuinely really worked for me. I think the only thing that I've tried that I really do like, but it's not like it's revolutionary, it's not like it's new or anything, that is after you put on your primer, you set your face with some setting powder and then spray it with your setting spray. Let it sit there for just a couple seconds before you actually go in with your makeup train. If you're really oily like myself, I find that it just does help to keep a little bit of the oil at bay. I feel like that's the only like useful TikTok hack that I found. All the other ones, like putting the foundation on with your hands or putting like, you know, red lipstick on your cheek to blend it out. The lips, just no. It just doesn't work for me. Maybe it's just because at the end of the day, I'm a makeup enthusiast, not a pro whatsoever. So maybe all those people out there who do the makeup hacks, it probably work for them because they actually know what they're doing compared to someone like me who does not. So I feel like that's why it's so great to do these videos, because I'm just an average consumer like you guys, just trying to do this. Like, we're not makeup artists here. So yeah, definite fail. Big definite fail. I won't be doing this again. And I look forward to taking this off. I look forward to getting my husband's reaction, because it's going to be quite interesting to see his reaction. And yeah, so hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's Our For Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything that you guys do. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you guys. So with that said, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Bronze to look. No. It can make me, it can work. Okay, let's get my husband's reaction.
Okay. What the hell is that?
So how do I look? Do I look great?
I don't like it.
How do I look?
It looks like you ate too much of a fudge pop.
What about the makeup? Does the makeup look good?
It's okay, no.
No.
Very dark.
Yeah. Guys, this is
It doesn't
Corey.
match your skin tone.
No,
at
this
all.
is Corey streaming. So say hi to Corey streaming.
Yeah, look.
I got surgery. This is my new
Wait,
lip.
get out of here.
These are my new lips. I thought I looked like a Kardashian. How do I look?
First off, your lips.
Aren't they great?
No.
These don't look good to you?
You look like you're wearing that filter on Instagram.
I do, don't I? Yep. Mm-hmm. Look at. Can you see?
God,
Can you see?
that color matches your skin perfectly.
Right,
by the
isn't
way.
it?
Foundation, yep.
Oh, it's not even like foundation. It's a new technique where you go around your face with like concealer, foundation. No, it's like dark concealer, like a bronzer. Then you do foundation and concealer and blend it in. I look like an Oompa Loompa. And then you're supposed to conceal your lips and really overdraw it to give it like you have lip injections, you know? So I look like a Kardashian. I look great. I love it. Well, I'm going to take this picture of it. I'm going to go to the Botox people, wherever it is you get lips done. But can I get?
Yes.
Yeah. So I wanted to show you. Because
God.
you're one person I wanted to see, because you would tell me the truth on what you thought of it. So you want me to do your makeup from now on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just not my lips.
Got it. All right. Well, I love you. Thank you for being part of this.
I love you too.
All right. I will talk to you soon.